cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Guess what I am going to make for you today? Southwestern Casserole. Y'all know it's getting cold. Y'all know how we like to eat soups and stews and casseroles. You know, just throw everything together in a pot or an oven. You know how it is. You know, that's that comfort food, y'all. Well, today I have a recipe from Taste of Home. I made this years ago. If I'm telling you, years and years, maybe like 15 years ago. But it's great, it's wonderful. Everybody loves it. Now it's gonna have some hot peppers in it. Maybe you wanna leave that out, jalapenos, I don't know. But I don't know if it's gonna taste the same. I don't know, when you change stuff. But I did add some whole kernel corn and some bell peppers, which you did not have in the recipe. Because sometimes you can add stuff, y'all, and just make it better. You really can. Okay, with all that said, let's get ready. Let's get ready. Whew. All right, y'all, you're gonna add 2 cups of elbow macaroni to boiling water. Make sure the water is boiling, okay? And add some salt. I already add salt to this water, so that's optional for you people who don't like salt. But I'm telling you, you're gonna need a little salt. You don't want your noodles to taste bland. Now I said cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. But I may cook it to like maybe 7 minutes because I don't want it 100% done because it's going to finish cooking in the oven, okay? You don't want mushy elbow macaroni. All right, next step. Okay, now we're supposed to add 2 pounds, but I only had like 1.5 pounds. So I have to do with what I got, okay? Do with what you got. Ooh, yeah. Ground beef. I guess you can use ground turkey, ground chicken. I don't know, but I don't know if it's going to taste the same. It might, the flavors. That's what counts, is the flavors. Ooh, that's smoking. All right, I'm going to also pour in a large onion. 1 large onion and 1/2 cup of bell peppers. Now, I add the bell peppers myself because I like bell peppers in Southwestern dishes, okay? I don't know why they left that out. I don't know why, but that's why I only put like 1/2, all right? 1/2 a cup, which is about 1/2 of a, large bell pepper, I assume. It don't matter, okay? If you like a lot of bell pepper, put it in there. Ooh, wait. All right, we're going to brown this, y'all. We're going to brown it. Then we're going to add the other ingredients. It calls for minced garlic, but I don't have any. I don't know why people use minced garlic. Maybe it's better. I don't know. But just sprinkle you some garlic powder in there. Oh, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon or something. And then I sprinkle some pepper in there. Just a pinch. And then I'm going to put some salt. Even though I'm going to add salt again. I don't want my meat to taste bland, y'all. That's why people do that, okay? They don't want bland meat, Okay? You want it to taste yummy. Yummy. That's not a whole lot of salt, just a couple of pinches, all right? Until you get to the main ingredients. Okay, my noodles are the way I like them, so make sure you drain them, y'all. Drain it, all right? You don't want it to cooking, so you got to take it out the pot, or it's going to continue cooking. You don't want that, all right? All right, moving right along. Now, this is the way that your ground beef should look. You don't see any pink. No pink. If you see pink, continue cooking. Okay? No pink. Ooh, that smells good. I'm pretty sure the neighbors are like, what is she cooking over there today? Ooh, it smells delicious, y'all. Okay, now if you have too much liquid, y'all, you're going to have to drain it. Okay, you see I don't have too much liquid. I use 80-20. 80 lean, 20 fat, okay? It's up to you. But I can understand everybody can't afford that, all right? Buy what you can afford for yourself. All right, we're going to start putting in the ingredients. I'm going to put in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Diced tomatoes. Turn your eye down a little bit, maybe to like the medium. Okay, this is a 14.5-ounce can. That's what you're gonna use, all right? All right. I'm gonna also use tomato paste. All right, 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Ooh, Lord, I'm telling y'all, this is so good. I need a small spoon. I don't know what's wrong with me. Hold on a second. Hold on, here I go. Here I go. All right. Put in tomato paste. I haven't made this in a long time, y'all. It's been a while. It's been a while. All right. All right, you want to get everything out of that spoon. Everything out of that spoon. All right. Now, I'm going to put in 4 ounces of chilies. Okay, this is canned chilies. They said 4 ounces. I couldn't find a 4-ounce can, but you know what though? It's gonna work out just fine. That's green chilies, y'all. Green chilies. That has a good flavor too. It really does. Okay, the recipe calls for 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. I know I put some in the meat. Trust me. It works. It works out. It works. Okay. Like I said, if you like bland, go right ahead. All right. I'm going to also add some more garlic. All right. They use minced garlic, but since I don't have minced, just shake you some in here. Oh, if you want to know some measurements, oh, just start off with maybe a tablespoon. Okay. That's what you want to do. It's up to you. It's up to you. Ooh, it's smelling good and looking good, y'all. Looking great. Now I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. Okay. Now y'all know I usually buy McCormick, but it was kind of hard to find it. All right. You know, stuff is hard to find these days. I guess that's a 1/2. All right. Then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Chili powder. Whole teaspoonful. Yeah. I'm gonna say a heaping for me. Heaping of a teaspoon. Woo. I don't ever follow the rules. Not when it comes to when I'm eating it. Alright. Just gonna make it taste better. Alright. Man, I can eat this like this on bread, like a soup or something with cornbread. Ooh, this looks so good. It smells good, y'all. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Yeah, doggy. Yeah, doggy. Okay, y'all. Let me tell you, y'all need to taste your sauce. See if it's the way you like it. Tastes good to me. But what I'm gonna do, y'all, hold on a second. I was taught this tip by my mother and other older people. Maybe take about 1/2 teaspoon, put a little sugar in it. Just get out some of the twang. That's it. Just a little bit. Yeah, not a lot. You don't want it to be sweet, all right? That's all I'm saying. You don't want sweet. Now I'm going to add my corn. That's a can of whole kernel corn. Make sure you drain it now. That's a 1/2 can of it, not the whole can. Now, if you want the whole can, that's up to you. But I'm going to put a 1/2 because I don't want the corn to take over, okay? That's not the star. Then I'm going to put a 15.5-ounce can of dark red kidney beans. Oh, that look good. Oh, wait, look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, this is a casserole, y'all, now. It ain't supposed to be soupy. It's not supposed to be soupy. You know, casseroles are kind of thick. Now I'm going to pour my elbow macaroni in. All of it in there. Ooh, I know I'm putting the handle down there and everything. Alright, stir it up real good. Turn that eye down low because it don't have to be up high, y'all. Alright. Almost look like something else. I mean, if you like it a little more saucy, that's up to you. But I never had to add water, you know. I like my casserole to be a little stiff, you know. It's up to you. It's not supposed to be soupy, like I keep saying. Not supposed to be soupy. Toss it around. Don't mash it. Just toss it around. See how I'm doing that? Toss it around. Y'all really gonna enjoy this, I'm telling you. You're gonna enjoy it. I meant to tell you, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now you're gonna spray paint. This is like a 9 by, I think, 12, 13 or something like that, but it's deep dish. You see how deep that is? I love the deep dish ones, okay? Because there's a lot in that pot, all right? All right, here we go now. Once you do that, you're gonna take your mixture. This is what I do. Ooh, Lord, this thing is heavy. Ooh, why did I do this? Okay, I'm trying to put it in half, y'all. I'm trying to put it in half. But if all of it fall in there, don't be surprised. Do not be surprised. Do not be surprised. All right, here we go. I'm going to put it in half. I'm going to start with half. That's just me. You can do it the way you like it, okay? Either way, it's going to taste the same. Spread it around in there. Spread it in there. We're going to put in some cheese, y'all. Some people just like to put the cheese on top, but I like to put my cheese all over, y'all. All over, okay? Make sure that's kind of evenly. See how some of that meat is scattered? You want to put it in there evenly. Okay. Now, you're supposed to use Monterey Jack, but I couldn't find any, y'all. So I had to get the Mexican style blend. This is just as good, okay? If you can't find Monterey Jack, that's okay. Pepper Jack, whoever Jack. All right, I put a little bit in there like that. All right, gotta spread it evenly in there. Everybody gonna want to get a bite. Everybody wants a bite. All right, now I'm gonna put the rest of it in there. All right, the rest of it. Okay, that's good enough. Got a few stragglers in there, but you know, we can pull them out. A few little stragglers. They don't want to get eaten. All right, but that's okay. All right, spread it around. Spread Charlie around. Spread it around. See how this deep dish is just right? See how it's just right, y'all? Look at them beans and stuff in there. Let me tell y'all, this is amazing right here. This is amazing. Now, they said don't cook this covered, but you know what? I have to cook it covered just for a few minutes, all right? That's just me. Do what you want to, all right? Now I'm gonna put the remaining cheese on top. 2 cups now. Make sure you get a 2-cup bag or whatever you do, whether it's Monterey Jack or whatever cheese you want to use. Try to use the Mexican blend, okay? It's good. It's got cheddar in it and the Monterey Jack cheese. All right. Ooh. All right. Spread that around evenly. Yes, I use my hand. I'm the only one eating it. Don't matter. My hands clean anyway. They clean. So shut up, y'all, down there in the comment section. Shut up. Now I have some fresh jalapeno peppers that I chopped up, y'all. Now you can use the one in a jar if you want to also. It works out fine. But if you're using the real jalapeno peppers, make sure you don't touch your eye, your face, or anything like that. Because this is hot. Now, you can leave this off if you don't want it. But, you know, I'm going to sprinkle some on top. Okay? I got like 1 jalapeno pepper. It calls for 2, but I don't want it that hot. So I just use 1. Diced up 1. Alright? It's up to you. I don't know how hot you like stuff. If you don't like it hot or whatever, you can leave some of these steps out if you just don't like hot. Alright. I can tell this is going to be amazing. It's been a long time since I had it though. And it was amazing the last time I baked it. Okay. I think that's about it, y'all. Alright, let's get ready to put this in the oven. 375 degrees. I'm going to do it for 30 minutes at first. Covered up. I'm going to cover mine up, okay? Then I'm going to come back and take it off and then let it cook for another 7 to 10 minutes, you know, uncovered. So this can kind of get a little brown. Here we go into the oven. Woo! I put it on the top rack, y'all. I put mine on the top rack. Okay. Let's pull the foil off. Ooh. I don't know. I may let that cook maybe another 5 or 6 minutes. It looks great, y'all. It looks great. It's up to you. The most 10. All right. Here we go. Smells delicious. Whew. Okay, time to pull it out. Woo, that heat. Whew. Always falls up my glasses, y'all. Here we go. Ooh-wee. Look at this, y'all. Look at it. Ooh. I let it cook all for about another 7 minutes. Ooh, it's great. Okay, let's plate this puppy up. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Look at this. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Let me tell you, I know it's good. I already know it. Even before I taste it, I know. All right, let me get them. Sure, I get some everything up in here. This is delicious, y'all. You know what? I'm gonna have to freeze this. You can freeze it, y'all. You can freeze it for somebody like me who ain't got no, nobody to help you eat it up. Look, you can taste all the flavors in there. Even though I put the can of chili, green chili in there, still not real hot. Even with the jalapenos, it's not that hot, y'all. But if you don't like spices, you ain't got to put it in there. But then again, it wouldn't be a Southwestern casserole. It wouldn't. Now, make sure that you let it cook long enough. Because like I said, ovens vary. Your oven may not be like mine. Just keep going in, back and forth, looking at it. Make sure that it's the color that you want. Okay? But it is very good. I know some people don't like beans. Maybe you can substitute it for something else. You can put black beans in there if you want to. If you don't want to use dark red kidney beans. That's up to you. Okay? But other than that, y'all, the dish is amazing. I can taste all the seasonings up in there. I can taste the chili, the cumin, everything. Good, very good, just like I remember. All right, y'all, make sure you send me your recipes, okay? Do that for me. And Jemima, please send me your recipe again. I don't know what happened. I think I deleted by mistake, okay? Send me your recipe again, girl, okay? I don't know what happened to it. I don't know. All right, because I was supposed to be cooking her recipe this week. All right, with all that being said, y'all, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure that you come back to Cooking with Sandra Faye.